In this session, we are working with money programming, the deeply ingrained beliefs, emotional responses, and behavioral patterns around money that were formed long before conscious choice. Most money beliefs are not created through logic. They are absorbed through repetition, observation, and emotional imprinting. Family conversations, tone of voice, stress reactions, arguments, sacrifices, and unspoken rules all shape how the nervous system understands money. Even when someone intellectually rejects their upbringing, the body often continues to follow the original script. This is why people repeat financial patterns they promised themselves they would never recreate. The purpose of this session is to separate inherited programming from personal truth. You are not here to blame your parents, culture, or circumstance. You are here to recognize what was passed down unconsciously and decide what no longer belongs to you. This session helps the nervous system release outdated survival patterns, scarcity reflexes, and emotional reactions tied to money that were learned rather than chosen. As this programming clears, you regain agency. Money stops feeling like a reenactment of the past and becomes something you consciously relate to in the present. So, before we begin tapping, just sit comfortably and place your feet on the ground. Now, take a deep, slow breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Exhale. Take another breath, letting your body soften, and exhale. One more breath, allowing your chest and belly to relax. Exhale. Now bring to mind your earliest memories of money. Not stories, just sensations. There is nothing to fix. Simply notice what your body remembers. Now open your eyes and we will start tapping. Even though I absorbed money beliefs that weren't mine, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though my nervous system learned patterns from my environment, I honor myself. Even though these beliefs once served a purpose, I choose safety right now. Eyebrow. This inherited money programming, these learned reactions under the eye, these emotional imprints under the nose, these unconscious rules. Chin. Money meant something growing up. Collarbone. My body remembers. Under the arm, these old survival patterns. Top of the head, I acknowledge them. Eyebrow. I may have learned fear. Side of the eye. I may have learned struggle. Under the eye. I may have learned limitation. Under the nose. I may have learned scarcity. Chin. Even if it wasn't spoken. Collarbone. Even if it was emotional. Under the arm. Even if it was unintentional. Top of the head. I see it now. Eyebrow. These beliefs are not who I am. Side of the eye. They were learned. Under the eye. They can be unlearned. Under the nose. I don't need them anymore. Chin. I am safe to release them. Collarbone. I choose new patterns. Under the arm. I choose awareness. Top of the head. I choose freedom. Eyebrow. I release inherited scarcity. Side of the eye. I release inherited fear. Under the eye. I release inherited stress. Under the nose. I release inherited limitation. Chin. I choose my own relationship with money. Collarbone. I choose calm expansion. Under the arm. I choose grounded abundance. Top of the head. I choose clarity. My body is learning something new. Money can feel neutral. Money can feel safe. I am no longer repeating the past in body, mind, and spirit. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and release it slowly. Imagine the old patterns loosening, like outdated software uninstalling. See yourself relating to money from choice, not habit. One more deep breath in and release. When you're ready, open your eyes.